Previously on Recipes for Success, Will Meyrick set off from Bali, Indonesia to open his new restaurant Mama San in Hong Kong. He has brought with him Sarong head chef Budi to take on a challenging new role in the heart of one of the biggest restaurant scenes in the world. Work has continued at Mama San at a blistering pace, and it has to, because today Will and his team are preparing for an opening night simulation. This is when the floor role-play taking orders and carrying out service. It's a crucial time, as it will determine whether they are ready for opening night or not. Still missing a number of ingredients, Will heads into Chinatown to hopefully find what he needs.
I think we're here in the shop. This is Chandra. This is basically where a lot of the Indonesian produce is. So we'll see if we can find the kencur. Fantastic. Here we are. Ini ada kencur, pete. And you got your daun salam. I need this for the rendang, spice powder. And I need it for some of the Balinese dishes as well. Kencur, nutmeg, abisi, tamarillo. Okay, this was a successful mission. Finally, I got what we wanted. It was amazing how I came in yesterday when it was packed and busy and it didn't have a time of world for me. But now it's a bit quieter. They seem to have managed to get everything that I wanted. So Budi will be happy. I'm happy. And hopefully this is a road to success. Makasih.
Thank you. Makasih.
Back at Mama San, Anita and Karina are helping organize the floor staff's new uniforms.
So, just arrived. Got a few issues already. These shirts are pretty uniforms. Which size is the which? The girls need to have a nice. Well, it needs to have a female kind of cut. Otherwise, you look like tomboys. The person that did them is obviously not here. So it's kind of rummaging through, so it's wasted probably another hour of my time. This should be a nice silk at the back. I mean, they look like really cheap, nasty.
So we just gather information on what kind of vest that Will really wanted. So because all of the floor staff really have to represent Mama San at the end. It's very detail-oriented. At the end, Mama San is his baby, so you don't want to bring a wrong representations, obviously, so everything has to be perfect.
Wulan, what's happening with the recipes? Some of the recipes are wrong for the, go to the dessert one again. Okay. Like, this is where some of the fucking recipes are wrong. They've got to be right. The ones you give him Budi are wrong. Like, fuck. Hold on. Hey, Tim, how are you, mate? It's a creme caramel, yeah? Is it condensed milk, sweet condensed milk, or is it condensed milk? Sweet, so susu kental, like what we do for the affogato. Skimmed milk, okay. Super stressed at the moment. The recipes need to be right, and if they're not right in the beginning, then I spend an hour running around calling up this person, that person, trying to get them right. So I'm going to send someone now and go and get it, and hopefully I can finish off that recipe and get into something else. Hold on a minute. Actually, I think it's my fault. I got the wrong recipe. Anyhow, the chef's always right. So let me just pretend that I'm always right and see if she picks up on it. Hey, Wulan, I told you the recipe. You got it?
This one?
No, it's wrong, yeah? You got this one. Remember, got to get it right, yeah? It's not good enough, okay?
With opening night simulation beginning in less than 8 hours, things are starting to take shape in the kitchen. However, there are still missing ingredients that Will needs Wulan to find.
Okay. Money, please.
Christ, you're like my wife. Yeah.
Okay, I'm still here in the middle of the rain in one of the streets in Hong Kong. I was trying to find a tapioca pearl, again in the same market where I find the eggs, but now I have no luck. I couldn't find it, so I think I have to try in another place. Coba di sini. Coba di sini. Huh?
Sorry, we don't have to sell.
You don't?
We don't have. Yeah, sorry.
You know where to find?
Oh, sorry, I don't know this one.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have tapioca pearl? No more. Do you know where I can find around here?
Supermarket?
That supermarket? They said don't have.
I don't know.
Don't know. Thank you. You know tapioca pearl? Where? There? Nggak tahu. I'm desperado now. I have a feeling I will find it, but let's see. Finally, I got the banana, I got the rose apple, and I don't get the tapioca pearl. But I got this substitute. I hope it's the correct one. Kau Will nggak dapet?
Tidak ada.
Only this one, okay or no? Cannot.
Cincau.
I can get the tapioca flour. Ta-da, ta-da. There you go. Okay, mission done.
It's too fine again. Hey Eddie, what's this? Sambal ulak? It's too fine. Remember I said don't fucking make it fine. So now it's fucking, you gotta do it all over again. Don't make it fine. Don't make it fine. Have you made sambal ulak before? No. No, so you need to go, Buddy, Will, show me how to make sambal ulak. Because if you don't, then you end up with it being 5 kilos wasted. Make another one, please. Basically, the guys are not listening. I've said 3 times, do not make the sambal ulak too fine. And yeah, they've done 5 kilos of it and they blended all of it. Like why do you put sugar in now to a paste that you haven't even cooked off? Sugar or salt you put in?
Sugar, white sugar and salt, ma. Salt haven't.
Yeah, that's to season it when you're cooking it off.
Oh, okay. So.
Just start again. Start again. Start again. Buddy, you've already put sugar in it.
Sugar in?
Yeah, already. Fucking bego.
Mistake.
It's part of the challenge of taking, you know, an unexperienced person in, when I say unexperienced, not unexperienced in his cooking ability, but unexperienced in being on his own. He needs to have done this on his own. He's only got another 4 or 5 more days left, and he's on his own. It can get a bit stressful if you stay in the kitchen too long, especially when you've got inexperienced staff to deal with. So it's important to get out of the restaurant and get inspired, whether it's by the surrounding locale or finding some great food. I've come down to a great Italian restaurant called Lupa to meet with Pepe and hopefully check out some great seafood dishes.
Lupa is a concept that is born in New York from Mario Batali, of course, and is one of his most popular restaurants in New York, just because over there is what we call trattoria.
Yeah.
Trattoria is a family-style restaurant.
Casual, family,
Casual,
home
yeah.
cooking, that kind of thing.
Absolutely. And Lupa is the symbol of the city of Rome.
Of course. I studied that when I was a young boy. So all this talk has made me hungry. Have you got a couple of dishes that we can maybe have a go with? Maybe you can teach me a little bit of Italian again? Go back to my roots?
Why we don't go in the kitchen and we make something, no?
Great. So Pepe, what are we cooking?
Okay, we are cooking our special dish for the Mother's Day that is coming tomorrow.
Okay, fantastic.
So I made something that my mother likes. That's why it's a present to my mother.
Present for your mother.
My mother loves scallops and asparagus. Mangia mangia. Okay, so it's very simple, as you know. Italian kitchen is few ingredients, just quickly cook, and that's it.
Italian ingredients is mainly about the quality of the product, isn't it?
Of course.
That is Italian food.
Yeah. Just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and that's it. It's done.
I should have been cooking Italian rather than Asian food. Asian food is a bit of a headache sometimes.
So we just prepare our ingredients.
Yeah. So you got your scallops, you're cutting them into quarters, you got your sun-dried tomato, you got your asparagus there,
small pieces,
a bit of rosemary,
little bit of rosemary just to season a little bit the scallop.
Go on.
And so now everything is ready. I think we can start cooking.
Okay.
We take our pan and we start, no?
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So we'll use some butter.
Yeah.
Only for the pasta.
Beautiful.
Now we have the garlic and
I don't know, for me there's something so special about whether it's noodles or whether it's pasta, but eating homemade noodles or pasta, I just love it. You know? It's something special.
So the portion looks a little bit small just because it's part of a tasting menu.
Wow, this looks fantastic. That ricotta just bursts out, and the scallop cooked perfectly. Pepe, simplicity is always the best, I think, and you've shown that right here in this food. So, as you've cooked for me, can I invite you to Mama San and try some Asian food and maybe teach you something about Asian?
I would love it. It would be fantastic for me.
That's a date.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Night is fast approaching, and Mama San is preparing for opening night simulation. Like Will in the kitchen, Karina is also working with inexperienced staff out on the floor.
Where is the coaster? Jeez. Side station. So basically today we're finalizing our restaurant layout. So today we're doing our sectioning. So on which tables everything is. You'll be in charge of your section, but if you're very busy, Amika Yoga is here to help you. Dario is also here to help you. I'm also here to help you. We'll also do the POS training for our operating system for the restaurant. And we also did a mock-up setup there, so hopefully in half an hour time we can start to do role play and taking orders, taking service, and do an actual training of how the restaurant works. So fingers crossed.
Okay, is everyone almost set up? What about him? Is he set up? Does he know what he's doing? Has he cooked off his curry yet? Has he cooked off his green curry yet? You need to help him. Yeah, remember we said we're doing the goan curry here. We're doing the green curry here. Yeah? So you need to get him set up, yeah? Can we please set the guy up now? Show him how to make the curry now on here. The prawns. Have you got the prawns here? The king prawns. Have you got the king prawn curry? Where's his chopped onion? Where's his chopped chili? Buddy, I told you 1,000 times, set the fucker up. You haven't set him up yet.
This will be the menu. Bring it to Ibu Wati. Role play. Start punching the order. You start first. Why? Because we want to see how far along. That's okay if it's wrong. That's why we do this. Either you or Amika do it first.
Karina is having a hard time with a few of the staff members and is at risk of falling behind schedule.
Let's go, hurry up. I want an order. How long did it fucking take?
What to do again, Mango?
Ask, what do you want? Good evening, ma'am. Can I offer you still or sparkling water?
So give them space, water.
No, just like a regular water. This is just a role play. What you offered them. Welcome to Mama San. Can I give you a menu? Can I offer you still sparkling water? And then I will come back to take your order in a minute. And you can also say, like, my name is Shaina. I'll be your waiter for the evening.
Yoga, just fucking put another docket in, whatever. Just fucking go on the micro system and put something in. I've got a full team here waiting to fucking cook. Just fucking put anything in.
You don't have to. If you don't want to, it's okay. It's just like a way of saying it. Come on, let's go. If he's gonna scream, he's gonna scream. Huh? If he's gonna scream, he's really gonna scream at you. Huh? Will. He really wants to do the role play now. So, let's do. Dayu, kasih contoh dulu deh. Okay, we'll start with Dayu. You'll see how Dayu do it, okay? Please watch her.
Fed up waiting in the kitchen, Will wants to find out what the hold-up is.
These tables set up. I thought we had the whole restaurant set up.
Yeah, but we haven't got the chairs down here. We haven't got the chairs there.
Well, it doesn't matter. What are the user chairs? These are useful. Also, are we ready on the micro system?
80%. Yeah, we're just doing a trial now.
Okay, let's get the orders in now. This shit needs to be cleared up now. All that fucking crap there needs to go.
Like
this shit needs to go. You need to get rid of it. Yeah, we need to set up properly. As I say, we should be open tomorrow or the next day. And if you guys are still frigging around, then we're not going to be open. So I want to fire the first dishes now. I can't wait around forever. I need my kitchen cooking. All right, buddy, you ready for service? Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
We need to start now, yeah? Let's start with the wok. Okay, let's go on with the southern going mud crab. Let's go, fire now, yeah? One southern mud crab.
Order, please.
So we don't have oysters
And suckling, yeah. Unfortunately, tonight we're out of oysters and suckling pig.
Come on, guys, how long? Buddy, hurry up. It's already been 15 minutes since the last dish has gone out. You taste both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, thank fuck you can cook your own food. Man, it's got no fucking, there's no flavor in it. You taste it?
Okay.
No, it's just a sweet. Fucking taste it, man. Fuck. I'm over it. I told you. You gotta cook it properly. If you can't cook it properly, get the hell out of here.
That's your problem. We don't
Fuck. Hey, take this out now. Fuck. Okay, I know this sounds hard, but I've got to be hard on Buddy. He needs to know that the dishes are right. He can't give sweet dishes. Because if people think that he can't cook, it reflects on me. So I'm representing him and he's representing me. And I believe he can do it. But if he doesn't get his shit together and he doesn't make it happen, then we're all in big trouble. Tonight was never going to be perfect, and we do have a few issues to iron out. I'm confident we'll get there, but it's not going to be easy. Okay, so we're going to take the boys out for a bit of a reliever. Have some chili crab. They've been dying for the chili crab. It's pretty special. It's very well known. And we're going to let loose tonight, have some fun. All right, what do you want to eat? Mau makan apa? Thank you. Bye-bye.
How's your size?
What's your size?
How's my size?
Very big.
Ask my wife. I have 3 children. Obviously, it works.
No, this is just
And yoga, how do you feel?
for 1 week. I'm using the Balinese language.
Oh my God.
Balinese language.
Balinese.
Like this? Correct.
Chawet. Oh yeah? Oh, why? You have someone special at home waiting for you?
It's Sarong.
In Sarong? Oh yeah, who was it? Yeah, I love some of the stories with the guys because, you know, this is when their hair is let down and they start to relax and they start to hang out and you start to get a little bit of their own feeling out of it as well. And I get to really understand how they're feeling and how they're position themselves in the company, in the new company for them. Also, it's good for them to just relax, have a few beers, and it's a lot of fun. And that's when I do my team building. That's when I get to hear what they really want to say. And you know, they're a bit cold when they're in the restaurant, but when they've had a little bit of liquor under them and they've had a mouthful of chili crab, they'll say what they feel. And I think tonight we got that. Good job.
Things will continue to heat up for Will and his team over the next few days as they move closer to opening Mama San to the public.